So one of the users asked me to take a look at MFT, Hifi Finance, I believe it's called. I think it changed it, rebranded its name today, and as you can see, it's absolutely flew. So I've never really looked at this before. As you can see, it's just going parabolic here. This move is absolutely parabolic. Going up, going up, going up. So let me bring up the EMAs on this. So as you see with EMAs, it's moving nicely with it, to be honest with you. If you keep an eye on the moving averages here, you know, it got away, come back retested, got away, come back retested, got away, come back retested again, again, again. So you could look at this move and come back down here like this. So you could be looking at a test of the previous high on this move, which would be this level here. So I would effectively be looking for a retest to the previous all-time high on this move, because this is what happens here. If you look at this entire move, this is what happens, guys, in these moves. Let me try and break it down for you. So it goes up there, comes back down and tests the previous high there. You see that swing low there, and then again goes up, and then if we remove the EMA, you can see the bottom of that wick there is the previous swing high there. So it goes up in stages. So this is one stage, two stage, and it broke out there, swung up, come back down, tested that high there. See that there? And then it's gone up there, come back down, retested the previous high there. You see how it lines up with that wick, and then bounced off it. So the move on this could be looking something like a retest of this high, which it looks like it's already came down to, but it could potentially come down again. So you could be looking for a move like this. This is on the 4 hourly, so it's a bit of a larger time frame, but it could come back down, test this level here, so .1 cents, and bounce again for continuing with its trend. So that's a potential play for MFT. There's one to keep an eye on. I'm going to look at the fundamentals a bit right now, because it is going parabolic. If I move out onto the daily, well, you can see on the daily it has got really extended from the EMA. So eventually it will come back down to test the EMA. So it's gone in a supersonic parabolic move right here at the moment. So I'll be looking eventually for this EMA to catch up with it, and it will come back down to it. So this area right here looks like it could form a really good area of support, because the EMA is moving to it. It's bounced off it twice. So this particular area here, which is .13, I'll mark that. So that particular level there will be a really, really heavy support level for MFT. But I would expect probably after this insane move's finished, it will come down, hit that support, probably consolidate for a bit before continuing in this uptrend. I'm just going to move to the 15-minute. You can see the EMA supporting it really, really well here. So you can see how it's trading here. It's going up and it's bouncing off this EMA. You see this line here, this support. So it's had numerous touches there of support. I would be expecting one more test of that in the current time frame before it goes back up. So that's something to keep an eye on MFT if you're trading on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm just going to jump into the project. So it's actually called Main Time Frame. It's not been rebranded just yet, but you can see it's going up, and this is probably what we're expecting for MFT. It went up just there, consolidated, for making another sweep up, consolidated. It's made another move up, which is the move we're seeing right now, up to 0.2 cents, and then we're probably looking at some form of consolidation again. So this consolidation here happened over 4 days. So 4 days consolidation from this move, potentially for main time frame. It's ranked 146, trading at 2 cents. It's literally all-time high was 2 years ago, so it's come back a bit. Okay, so if you look on the history, it's currently testing its all-time high, very, very close to its all-time high. It's like literally a few cents off it. So it is going to hit some resistance there, guys. It's currently 37% up on the daily, trading a little bit sideways on the hourly, 195 million market cap. So I'll leave you to research it a little bit more. I'm just doing this little video for this request. But yeah, with MFT, the fact that it's coming up to its previous all-time high, I would expect it to be hitting some form of resistance right now. and like it is there, just consolidate for a few days before testing the current local high and the previous all-time high. Yeah, so if we switch back to the hourly, you can see that in this move it's going up and it's got away. Just there is an example where it gets ahead of itself and then it comes back to the EMA, where it allows the EMA to catch up to it for consolidating. It dipped a little bit, tested the previous all-time high in this run as support just there. You see that there, that wick just there, that's a previous all-time high. So it goes up, comes back down to the EMA, the EMA catches up with it, consolidates, dipped a little bit, which would be a bit scary, but we are in an uptrend, we are in a bull market. Just tested the previous all-time high and bounced off it. So that right there would have been a fantastic trade. So with this, I would say personally, looking at this position right now on MFT, I would say that this move is complete. I would say that we have seen the upside to MFT for at least for the next 4 days. I think we're probably looking at a similar sort of pattern to this, where it crabs along like this, lets the EMA catch up to it, which will come up here, curl around like this. Then it will consolidate in the EMA like it has done here, and then you'd be potentially looking a dip down to the previous high, which is the support again, and then a bounce off this in the continuation. So that's just a quick video for MFT, guys. Whoever's trading it, good luck. Please give a thumbs up and a like, and smash that subscription button. Cheers, bye. Catch you tomorrow.